Hi you guys, how are you all? I hope that you are doing really well. We are in the midst of like packing up our whole house, so I was thinking about like what fast videos can I do this week, and I couldn't think of any, so we are doing an empties video, which never ends up being fast, but I'm gonna try and move my way through all of these products as quickly as possible. I've really been trying to finish up products now that we're leaving so that I don't have to like carry with me half-used products. So jumping right into skincare, I have a few cleansers that I have finished up. I actually have 4 cleansers that I've finished. So starting off with the Naturopathica Manuka Honey Cleansing Balm. I absolutely loved this. If you guys like cleansing balms, then I would highly recommend this one. It's obviously not something that emulsifies, so you do need a cloth to remove it, but it does such a good job taking off makeup. It lasted me a really long time, and it doesn't leave any sort of residue on your face, which some cleansing balms can. I believe this is a product that they're kind of known for, so it's not a shock that I really loved it, but definitely if you're looking for a cleansing balm, I would 100% repurchase this one. I guess I'm doing kind of like my first cleansing products, and then I'll talk about the second cleansing products. Sometimes I do a double cleanse, although I haven't been wearing that much makeup these days, so I've really just been doing one cleanse, but on the days that I do wear a lot of makeup, it's good to do a double one just so I'm making sure everything's off of my skin. So another great first cleanse is this One Love Botanical Bee Enzyme Cleansing Oil. This is actually a little travel size that I got in a gift with purchase a while ago, and I just finished it. I was out of an oil cleanser and I had finished that balm and kind of needed something to really help remove makeup before I went in to clean my skin, and so I pulled this out and have been using it. I love this. I've talked about this so many times. I've had both the full size and many travel sizes. It's something that's always in my shelf so I can pull out and just use whenever I need just a good oil cleanser. And like I always say, it smells absolutely amazing. So if you haven't tried this yet, it's one of those like hero products or like cult products for me at least. So I would highly recommend checking it out. Then second cleansers that I use usually aren't quite as rich, or sometimes they have an exfoliating component to them. The first one is just like your average foaming cleanser, and this is the Derma Hydrating Gentle Cleanser. This is like my second or third one, and I actually have another one in my shower right now. This is something that Jared uses a lot, and I also use when I just need something that's really gentle, especially when I was having hives a couple of months ago and I couldn't really figure out what was going on. I went back to this cleanser because it's really simple. There's nothing in here that's going to irritate my skin. Yeah, and it's affordable. I just pick it up at Whole Foods. So again, just another good basic product to have on hand that I would absolutely repurchase again, have repurchased again, and would recommend if you're looking for your basic cleanser, or maybe you're looking for something for like a partner in your life or a family member or a friend who just like isn't really into skincare but needs like a cleanser that's going to get the dirt off of their face, then this is your product. This next product has actually been in my shower for a long time. This is the, oh god, I'm going to say it wrong. Anyway, it's the Skin Brightening Exfoliator from Pi. You can tell it's been in my shower for a long time because I believe they've already changed the packaging of this. So I don't even know if they still sell it or if this is what it's called. I'll have the updated version listed down below if I can find it. And this has little beads in it, and I actually ended up liking this on like my arms, an occasional use on my face. I don't want to speak too much about this formula. I did talk about it in the video I did on Pi Skincare, so you guys can go back and watch it there. I don't know if they've changed it since they've repackaged it, so that's why I don't want to waste your time talking about a product that maybe doesn't exist anymore. So I will link whatever the updated version is down below and you guys can read about it, or if you want to know about my experience with this particular formula, go check out that Pi Skincare video. Although I did enjoy it, it's not my favorite physical exfoliator, so I have other ones that I've enjoyed more, so this probably isn't a repurchase for me, not because it's a bad product, just because I've enjoyed other physical exfoliators more. I actually have finished all of my Emma Lewisham products, so I should probably put them in here as an empty, but their packaging is refillable, so I just use the refills. They have like the little empty refill container for their moisturizer. They did change some of the packaging from when I initially tried their products, and one of the products that they changed the packaging for is this Emma Lewisham Skin Reset Concentrated Even Skin Tone Face Serum. Now they have it in like a little cylinder packaging instead of this system here. This is one of my absolute favorite products from them. I noticed a huge difference in pigmentation from using their products, and I know it was their products because when I went off of their products, my pigmentation came right back, and I really attribute it a lot to this product here. I actually have some pigmentation on like my arms and my chest, and although I wouldn't use all of the skincare all over my body, I started to use this on those areas as well, and I noticed a huge difference. If you're someone who also has a lot of pigmentation, maybe you're trying to work on brightness or just like overall skin tone, highly, highly, highly recommend this product. It's just amazing. I also think it's cool that it's pregnancy safe, because a lot of brightening or products that target pigmentation are not pregnancy safe. So I think that's unique about this brand and this product. So check this out if you're going to try a product from them. I mean, all of them are so wonderful and all of them work really well together, but this is definitely my hero product from them that made such a difference in my skin. A little bit of a different category, but this is the Honest Beauty Calm and Go Face Mist. I did finish this. I thought this was nice. I applied it kind of like as needed when my skin was maybe a little bit dry, or after I hopped out of the shower if my skin was feeling kind of tight. I'd spray this on and then apply some moisturizer. You can also spray this on over makeup. I actually really like Honest Beauty skincare. I think like prices are great, and a lot of the products actually work really well for my skin. So I always recommend Honest Beauty as like a drugstore brand to check out. Derma and Honest Beauty are the two that I tend to pick up just because I've had really good success with them. But yeah, this was a nice kind of like toning mist that I enjoyed having. It was just really refreshing. I actually mainly use this during the summertime in the warmer months, and it was just like a refreshing mist of something to have to spray on throughout the day if my skin was just like needing a refresh, or like I said, was feeling a little bit dehydrated. Next up, I finished the Tracie Martyn Enzyme Exfoliant. This is their mask. Really enjoyed this. Again, this is another product that targets kind of pigmentation and then also has a physical exfoliation component to it. So you apply the mask, and then when you rinse it off, you can actually feel the granules in the mask kind of lifting off the dead skin, really leaving your face super, super smooth. This has like a cocktail of really wonderful ingredients in it, like lactic acid, and then it also has this like very cooling sensation to it, because I believe there's peppermint oil in this, and I really enjoyed it. I wasn't able to use like the last little bit of it because I felt like it had gone bad. It had really changed the color. It had been like a while since I had used it, and it changed to a really weird color. So I think that this is a product that if you open, you should commit to using it as your mask until it's done. And there's nothing wrong with that. It just means that you'll finish it quicker, and then you'll get the freshest, most active bits of it, because it does discolor as time goes on. Moving on to hair care, I don't need to talk too much about these products. I classically finished a classic shampoo and conditioner from Rahua. A couple of my favorites. Really enjoy the shampoo and conditioner. Just do great things for my hair. But I also had been trying the Rahua scalp exfoliating shampoo, which was new to me, and I liked this. I think I like the Goop scalp scrub better, only because with Rahua's products, for me, they're a little bit rich. I use them once a week, and then I use something that's more, I was gonna say stripping, but that's the wrong word, but more like, what's the word, like clearing. Use like a more like clearing shampoo the other wash, and that sort of balances out the richness of Rahua's shampoo and conditioner. And I just felt like this had like a little bit too much oil in the product for me, and I didn't feel like I could ever quite get my hair super clean on this routine of using both their classic shampoo and this. If you don't have oily hair, maybe you have really dry hair, then this could be a great option for you. And I actually think the Goop scalp scrub might be too stripping for you, but as someone with oilier hair, I need something a little bit more clarifying. So this just wasn't quite enough for me, but I really like the scent, and it's very, very gentle. So like I said, if you maybe have a drier scalp, if you need something with a little bit of moisture in it, if you found other scalp scrubs or clarifying shampoos too stripping, then I would give this one a try. Okay, while we are on the topic of like shower products, I have a couple of body products that I finished up. The first is the Detox Mode Happening Scrub. Love this body exfoliator. The first time I tried it, I felt like it was like kind of separated, but ever since then when I have gotten this, I don't know if they changed the formula or what happened, but it is perfect. Super smooth, really like luxurious to apply to your skin, and I focus this mainly on like my knees and elbows and areas that just like don't usually get a lot of attention, and it's really nice just to give your body that extra exfoliation. I usually have like Sundays be my big like shower days where I like exfoliate my whole body. I always make sure to dry brush, and then in the shower I'll sometimes use a body exfoliator. I'll shave, like that's my pamper time, and so this is definitely a product that I use during moments like that, and I really, really enjoy it. I finished up the Necessaire, the body wash in eucalyptus. This is like my favorite body wash. I'm now using a bar soap. and I just like, it does not compare to this. Bar soap, I can literally feel the film on my skin afterwards, and it's a nice bar soap too. But this is just super silky when you apply it to your skin. I love the smell of it because it's not too overwhelming. I just feel like it's like a very subtle scent. They have an unscented one as well, but I really like the eucalyptus scent. And yeah, I just think it's like beautiful packaging and a beautiful product that works really well for me. So always sad when I finish this. And then when I get out of the shower, I have a couple of products that I finished too, and they're actually both unscented. I am not super sensitive, but I do like to try unscented products every now and then. One of them I had in a favorites video, so you guys can go check out more about this there. It's the Schaf body lotion. Really enjoyed this. Very quick absorbing, really nice lotion, and again unscented. And then the other unscented one is the Necessaire, the body lotion. Also really loved this. I have nothing but good things to say about like both of these body lotions. I just felt like they were really nice, luxurious. The only thing about this one is I still feel like I have product in here that I can't get out, which is super frustrating. So I might cut it in half, which is always a good trick to do. But I also went through this one really, really quick. And I don't know if that's because I was using this during the winter time and just using more of it, or if you just need more of this to feel like you're like applying enough to your skin. So if you have tried their body lotion before, let me know your experience. I'm curious to hear what you guys thought. 2 more products, and I'm so proud of myself at how fast I'm talking and how fast we're doing this video. So let's keep up the momentum. This is the Rose Geranium Baking Soda Free Deodorant. Gosh, what's this from? Meow Tweet. That is for some reason very hard for me to say. Unfortunately, I love the ethos of this brand. I love that it's in paper packaging, but this did not work for me. I've since realized that I might need to just exfoliate my armpits more to get a deodorant like this to work. I maybe will try and repurchase this in the future to see if it works for me, but I just didn't feel like I got kind of like the protection that I needed, and I just felt like I smelled really quick, which is a bummer. But I have been using the May Lindstrom Problem Solver under my armpits. Or no, not Problem Solver. What is it called? Oh, I've been using May Lindstrom's Clean Dirt. That's what it's called, not the Problem Solver. Under my armpits, which is like a pretty intense exfoliant. And it actually has made my natural deodorant work so much better. I do that like once a week or so, and I feel like it just like gets off the layers of like oil or scent that can build up from a more natural deodorant product. So like I said, I might purchase this again and try it with that technique in mind to see if it works, because I really like the packaging. And then my very last product to talk about is this lip and face balm from Kahina Giving Beauty. I loved this. I just thought it was such a good lip balm. I'm now using the Ilia lip wrap, which again is a great lip balm, but I really love Kahina Giving Beauty. Their packaging is so beautiful, and I always think about like, gosh, if I was gonna get someone a gift, it would be something like this. I also have their hand cream, which I love, and yeah, they just do really beautiful products. So 100% would be so happy to have this in my life again. Okay, you guys, was that the fastest empties video that I've ever done? I don't know, but I am a little bit exhausted and definitely need a glass of water. So I hope you guys are doing well. Like I said in the beginning of this video, if this is your first video on my channel, I hope that you consider subscribing. We are running around with our heads cut off right now, trying to get ready for this trip and leaving. So if I seem a bit scattered, that's why. If I'm a little bit absent, that's why. But everything will be back to normal soon. I will just be in a very different location, so get excited for that. Thanks again for watching, guys. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day or night or whenever you're watching, and I will talk to you very soon. Bye!